You want to be able to do this with your dog? With me. Good. Sit. Good. With me. Down. No, down. Good. This is all part of functional, practical training. With me. Oh, sit. Good. Nuts. Good. No, you're good. Take your time. Great training for the monster. Thanks. You too. Sit. Poof. Ready? Here's the big kicker. If you want to be able to do this with your dog, you should probably follow. Down. Wait. Back seat. Good boy. You want to be able to do that with your dog? I can show you how. All you got to do is follow.